our attempt to speak better English, we work on vocabulary, we work on grammar, and we also work on pronunciation. In today's lesson, we're going to be mastering certain words in English language that people face most of the problems with these days. Hi everyone, my name is Hridhaan, and I welcome each one of you with a very big heart on Let's Talk. Let's get started with today's lesson with word number 1, and that is picture. It is very simple to pronounce this word, picture. But something changes when this word has QUE in the end of it. As a matter of fact, SQUE in the end of it. The stress here is picture. It is on the first part, and we say picture. But in the second word, the stress is on picturesque. Picturesque. The stress comes towards the other side of the word. Please repeat after me. Picture. The word becomes picturesque. Picture. Picturesque. What is a picture? A picture is a photograph of something. Picturesque is something that is so beautiful that one must take a photograph of it. That is the difference between picture and picturesque. The next word is estimate. The focus of the pronunciation goes on the first part of the word, estimate. Please repeat after me. Estimate. Estimate is the critical idea of a data that you're analyzing maybe. Estimate. But when we add TION to it, it becomes estimation. The stress falls on the second part, estimation. When you're basically analyzing something, the action of doing it is called estimate. But the name of that process is called estimation. Estimation. And the stress is on the second part of on the second part in the middle of the word. Please repeat after me. Estimate. Estimation. One more time. Estimate. Estimation. Next word in the list is consult. Please repeat after me. Consult. You consult a doctor, you consult a physician, you consult people when you do not know what is wrong with you, or when you need to take advice from people. That is called consult. The focus is on the second part, sult. And we put the focus on the second part of the word and we say consult. Whereas when we add TION to it, that process of taking advice from the other person is called consultation. It is not consultation, it is consultation. So the stress from the second part moves to the first part and it becomes consultation. One more time, consultation. The next one in the list is refuge. Refuge is hiding at a place from the place that you used to live before, coming to a different place and staying there because you do not have a proper home. That is called refuge. Refuge. The stress is on the second part, refuge. But the people who migrate, the people who move are called refugee. Refugee. The stress comes on the last part of the word, refugee. The next one is capable. Capable. We don't say capable. We also do not say capable. We say capable. Capable. Someone who is capable to do something. Someone who has the ability to do something. That is capable. Please repeat after me with the stress on the first part. Capable. Whereas somebody who does it, the action of doing it is capability. Capability. So the stress falls in the end. Capability. Capability. Next one is photography. Please repeat after me. Photography. And the stress is somewhere in the middle of the word. Photography. But This person who takes photography, who's interested in photography, is called photographer. Photographer. If you see, in these two words, the stress is actually on the same parts of the word. The stress is on the same parts of the word. Please repeat after me. Photography. Photographer. Next one is sentiment. Sentiment. What are sentiments? Sentiments are one person's emotions. The stress is on the first part, in the initial part of the word. Sentiments. And when we combine it with sentimental, it becomes sentimental. Sentimental. The stress comes on the latter part of the word, towards the end of the word. Sentiment, sentimental. Sentiment, sentimental. The next one in the list is astronomy. Astronomy. The stress is in the beginning of the word. Astronomy. What is astronomy? The study of astrological signs, birth signs, etc. The science of birth signs, that is astronomy. But the other word is astronomical. What is astronomical? Something that has astrology involved in it. So the stress from astronomy comes to astronomical. Norm. It comes to the other side of the word. Astronomical. Something that has astrology involved in it. The next word is physics. What is physics? It is a subject of quantum physics, etc. that you must have heard of before. That is physics. But something that is related to physician has a different meaning altogether. Physician is a type of doctor. Physics is on the latter part. Physician is in the middle of the word. The stress here is on the latter part, and the stress here is in the middle of the word. Physician. Let's do all of it together one more time. Please repeat after me. Picture. Picturesque. Estimate. Estimation. Consult. Consultation. Refuge. Refugee. Capable. Capability. Photography. Photographer. Sentiment. Sentimental. Astronomy. Astronomical. Astronomy. Astronomical. And finally, physics. Physician. Physics. Physician. This is all about the words, most important words in English language that people have a lot of problems with and also mispronounce. Thank you very much for being with me in this video, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button. Thank you very much again and have a great day.